Introduce yourself.
Hello and welcome friends, how are you all? I hope all are good. Friends, today I am going to show about this trending reel, which is meaning of your name. It is going viral on Instagram. If you want to edit this trend, so without any further delay, let's start the tutorial. So guys, first you need VN application to edit this reel. VN application easily find on Play Store. When you open this application, you will get interface like this. You can see. Guys, first let me tell you one thing. You must know the meaning of your name. If you don't know your meaning of your name, you can search the meaning on Chrome browser. Okay, after the knowing your name meaning, you have to search for that image. For example, my name is Suman and Suman means flower. So I have to search here. Okay, you can see there are many pictures of flowers. You have to download image according to your choice. Okay, as I have already the picture of flower, so I have to exit from here and open the VN app. So guys, first you have to import your photo. Second, you have to import the downloaded photo. Okay, to import the photo, click on the plus icon and click the new project option and select any photo of yourself from your phone library. Now guys, you have to forward from here. Okay guys, you can see you have to take like this and first delete the VN default clip from here and select the ratio of 9.16. Now guys, we will add the music on here. Music link given on my Telegram channel and Telegram link is given on the description. Okay guys, you have to download the reel video from Telegram. After that, we will extract the music from that reel. Okay, once you will download that video, after that you will click on the plus icon and click the music option for extract the music. Okay, and have to click on the plus icon and you will get extract from video option on here and select that reel which you downloaded from Telegram. Okay, now guys, you have to click on the OK option and click the choose from here. Okay, now have to done from here. Okay, in this way music will be added. Now guys, we have to trim our photos according to music. So first I trim the photos. After that I will tell you the photos durations because I can't listen music to you due to copyright issues. Okay, okay guys, you have seen how to trim your photos. Now note the photos durations. First photo duration is 4.85 second and second photos duration is 2.30 second. Okay, now guys, we will add the text on first photo. To add the text, click on the plus icon and click the text option and input the title here. Like this. Now guys, you can select the fonts from here according to you. So I have to select this font and can also select the text color from here and then have to done from here. Okay, now guys, you have to keep your text timeline till the first photo like this and can adjust and increase your text according to you. Okay, now guys, come to the second photo and add the text of your name meaning. So click again the text option, click on here. Now input the text here. Example, my name meaning is flower. Now select the fonts from here and I wouldn't change this color because its color is perfect, but you can select according to your photo, then have to done from here and adjust your text timeline like this and your video is completed. Now you can save this video. To save this video, click on the export option from top right corner. Okay, and have to done from here. Now guys, you have to click on the save to album option and video will be saved on your phone gallery. So guys, how you like this video? If you like this video, please hit the like button for our motivation and subscribe my channel if you want trending videos editing. So guys, see you in the next video with new topic. Till then, bye bye and take care.